Classic Chris-Craft styling, modern performance, and the comfort to make every weekend feel like a vacation. Welcome aboard the 2007 Chris-Craft Roamer 40. From her distinctive lines and spacious cockpit to her beautifully finished details, the Roamer 40 was designed for boaters who appreciate both style and functionality. Twin Volvo Penta diesel engines provide confident cruising performance, while the Volvo IPS system with joystick control makes maneuvering around the marina remarkably easy. Step below and you'll find a warm, inviting interior with rich woodwork, a comfortable salon, fully equipped galley, private staterooms, and all the amenities you need for weekends aboard or extended cruising. Whether you're entertaining friends, enjoying a sunset cruise, or heading out for your next coastal adventure, the Roamer 40 delivers the versatility to do it in comfort. The 2007 Chris-Craft Roamer 40, timeless Chris-Craft character with the performance and accommodations today's boaters want. Contact me, Captain Daryl Hannis at Little Yacht Sales, for more information or to schedule your viewing.